Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth. I love knowing what's in my products and that they are safe. That's why we created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Essential Oil Recipe Box is all about making a natural home easy and fun. When you subscribe, you'll get 4 full-size essential oils, 6 simple recipes to use them, plus extra ingredients and bonus items, all designed to make your home more natural. This month, our theme is kids. This kid-friendly box is full of fun and natural things to do with your children. Let's take a look. Our first essential oil is Cedarwood Himalayan. This oil offers respiratory support and emotional balance support. Cypress Essential Oil calms and purifies. Bumps and Boo-Boos is our blend especially formulated to help wounds and sores heal quickly. Tangerine has a sweet and tangy smell that's great for refreshing and rejuvenating. This month's box comes with our Kids Diffuser Bracelet. This bracelet is handmade in Haiti and helps provide women's jobs. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Subscribe today to make your home more natural.